Good morning, it's John Longcroft-Neal here, and it is Sunday the 30th of November 2025, and I've just realised I've got the sun coming straight into the camera but I think we'll be okay. So I don't know what you can see. Oh dear. Right, well, you're wondering what the plan for today is. Well, there really isn't one, and I was hoping it was going to be frosty. I was out on Wednesday last, I think it was, and it was beautiful and frosty, but I couldn't do any filming because it was really, I'd done so much. I don't know if there's a little one or something. I spent ages on it, so I thought, no, I'll just go for a bike ride. But it was a beautiful day, frosty and white. All the fields were white. It was gorgeous. See, we don't get snow that often. The idea of a white Christmas is just Hollywood. And but we do get frosts sometimes. Sort of a hoarfrost on everything, and that makes it look beautiful, and that was the case on Wednesday, and it said that today was going to be similar, but it's about 5 degrees today, not 1 or 2, and as a consequence it's a beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky, and it's very bright, but and it's cold, but it's not that cold to make a frost. So we're just going to see what we can see. I happen to say I've got 3 cameras with me today, and I'm hoping to use all 3 because I feel as if I've sold you short previously. So I'm not going for a long ride. I'm just approaching Upton at the moment, and I've got the drone with me. I'm using the 360 camera here now, and I've also got my GoPro on its new mono tripod, if there can be such a thing, which I'm using here now actually. What that? Attacked by starlings, I think, there. And yeah, because a couple of weeks ago I dropped the GoPro off the back of my bike and broke the top off the tripod. I think a car ran over the whole lot, and because I had a foam windshield over the GoPro, it protected it quite well, and the GoPro completely unharmed. And yet I'm fairly sure it was run over by a car, snapped the tripod and flung the camera into the ditch on the side. So another feather in the cap for the GoPro, because it managed to take all that on board as well. Right, that'll do it for now. Let me I'm only going to do one shot with the 360, because the editing is a bit of a nuisance when you get back if you've got lots of little clips to match up with the audio and what have you. So I'll do one decent one here and now, which is this one, and then I'll move over to the GoPro, which is in some ways my favourite. I'll run this as a little test, shall I? Because I've got the GoPro going now, and let's just get past this car, and I've got the foam cover over it, the windshield, and the microphone on the GoPro isn't bad, and there's no wind today at all. So I'm just seeing how, if I can get away with just using the microphone on the GoPro to do this. Look at that tree. If anybody knows where I'm going, I've not gone straight to Shenton. I've turned left, which heads me off towards Sibson. But at the bottom of the road here, I'm going to turn right and then head into Shenton that way, which is a slightly different route. I've only ever taken this route once before, but it's quite pleasant and very quiet. You know what? This is a stretch I could put the drone up. Pulled over here, but just want to show you something over this way. There's a little stream here that runs around the back of Shenton Hall and through Shenton, and sometimes it's just a trickle, but other times it can be quite a flood. It might look like it's quite a big river, but it's not. It's only a very small stream, but it does get bigger quite quickly when it rains a lot, which it has. But today's lovely, and the weather tomorrow doesn't look to be too good either, which is why I wanted to get out today. But this is almost as high as it ever gets. Look at that. I think I'll just point out this bridge as well. It's got this nice ironwork to it, look. Very nice. Oh, well, there is a seat here, but it's, oh my goodness. come here. There's a damn great big bramble coming across. All this stuff in the way. I'll push myself down for a second anyway. But yeah, it's a really nice morning, and the weather was good for today, which is why I've got out, despite the fact that it's not actually frosty, which I'd like to have done. But quite a few folk around. There's some more cyclists coming down here now, and I'm sure they won't mind if I catch them in the shot. Another chap just gone by. Well, there's been about a dozen people come by there on bikes. I mean, think about it, there's probably more people out and about on bikes, more people than there are in cars, because there's a car there's one person in it. But we just had 12 people go by. And it's quite understandable really, because it's a lovely part of the country. The weather's perfect, it's not too cold. Not frosty. The trouble if it's frosty, it looks great, but if it's icy as well, these country roads can be quite treacherous. So I've got to be very careful about that. And they're not too bad. Well, they're not icy at all. In fact, I think we're getting up with the sun out now. It's probably getting up to 6 or 7 degrees. So we're okay on that front. But yeah, beautiful day. And as I've said before, I'm out and about. Just because if you can't get out, and I know there's 1 or 2 people I know of who can't get out, and they love to get around in the countryside on their bike. They can't do it at the moment. Or, could happen to any of us. You know, one of these trips might be the last one I ever do. I don't think that's going to be the case, but it's a bit pessimistic, isn't it? But, yeah, you never know. So you just got to keep doing what you can do as long as you can, and if I can share this with people, so much the better. Right, move on. Got to put the Christmas decorations up at home. Playing in puddles when I was about 3. You'd think I would have grown out of it by now. This chap by the canal was trying to start this chainsaw, but he couldn't get it going. Would have made a great soundtrack. Oh well. Okay, I'll sign off here. What a lovely ride out. I can just see some clouds in the sky now. But yeah, lovely conditions, actually quite warm. I've got my extra thick coat on underneath and I'm actually a bit too warm. So I've only got a drip back home and then I'll be okay. And yeah, thanks for watching. It's been a really nice ride out. I've enjoyed it and done what I wanted. Like I say, used 3 cameras, the drone, the 360 and the GoPro. And look at these sheep. I love the way they're etched in a bright light all the way around their outline, look, because they're looking straight into the sun. Lovely, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, well, you will see me in the next one, and thank you very much for watching. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe. It's the right thing to do. Is it Advent Sunday today? Not sure. It is Sunday and we're nearly into December, so probably is. So why not mark the occasion by subscribing to my channel? That would be lovely. Okay, thank you very much indeed. See you next time. Bye bye.